welcome. I'd like to welcome all of you here. My name is Pat Deck. I'm one of the organizers of this rally of Buncombe Seniors for Healthcare Reform. We're here this afternoon to make a public statement that seniors are not afraid of healthcare reform. We welcome it. We strongly support affordable, accessible health care for everyone, Medicare for all our citizens. Now, we have several speakers lined up this afternoon. They're going to be talking to you about various things. And our first speaker is Jim Chatham. He's a retired Presbyterian minister, a health care advocate, and a co-organizer of this rally. So, Jim, if you'd talk to us about Medicare and the purpose of our being here, please.
First of all, let me say that the speeches will be very, very short. We're going to put you right out back here on this corner in a few minutes and have you doing exactly what you were doing. I'm Jim Chatham, co-founder with Pat Deck of Buncombe Seniors for Healthcare Reform. We have joined today with Organizing for America, represented by Paul Choi, and we want to thank all of you for coming. We are here today because thousands and thousands of Americans, some of them our children and our grandchildren, cannot obtain health care insurance. Immoral in a land that affords multi-million-dollar executive bonuses and half-trillion-dollar wars. We are here today because too many of our political leaders are more concerned with contributions to their campaigns than with what is happening to Americans. We are here today because doing nothing will be much more expensive than doing what is needed. We are here because the need for health care reform, first introduced in Congress 100 years ago by a Republican president, has steadily grown worse throughout your lifetime and mine. We are here because there has been enough Tea Party ranting, enough right-wing media lies, and it is time for the nation to talk some sense. We are here in search of senators and congresspeople who have the spine and the courage to lead this nation forward rather than cowering in fear. Those who think we seniors don't have much sense try to scare us with health care reform deceptions about how our Medicare will be taken away. It is a lie. No Medicare benefits will be cut as a result of health care reform. We are here today to say to the U.S. Senate, vote yes tonight. The time has come for this nation to move forward. Vote yes tonight. Let me hear it from you. Vote yes tonight. Vote yes tonight. Vote yes tonight. Vote yes tonight. We invited Representative Schuler to stand among us here today and hear our convictions. We who voted for him heavily in the last election, but he declined having a previous commitment. What that means is that we just have to raise our voices a little bit louder so he will hear. One more time. Vote yes tonight. Vote yes tonight. Vote yes tonight. Vote yes tonight. We are joined today by County Commissioner Holly Jones. Where are you, Ms. Jones? Raise your hand. We thank you for coming. Are there any other elected officials of Buncombe County or Asheville here today? All of them were invited, by the way, and we really thank you for coming.
Thank you, Holly.
Let us begin today making our voices resound across this county, across this city, and all the way to Washington, D.C. Vote yes tonight.
Vote yes tonight. Thank you, Jim.